There's some people over here. I do believe they live right here. And they do, looks like they have a way to hook. Way to cook. Oh, here comes Lila. Looks like they have a dog also. Ma'am.
Ate.
Ate. We bring some sardines and noodles and a kilo of rice. And I hope that'll help you out. I see you have a way of cooking, yes?
Yes.
Okay. With you also here?
Yeah, my son.
Oh, your son.
Okay.
Oh, it's a mother and a son.
My son.
Oh.
I am it.
Hello, sir.
Ilang taon na po kayo?
62.
62? Si, ano, brother?
Sila, 32.
Oh.
32 years old.
Wala pa siyang asawa?
No more.
Single.
Ano? Ano nangyari sa inyo? Bakit andito kayo? Oh. So,
Hindi ko muna inano kasi lagi siya pinag-anuhan ko rin.
pinag-initan?
Lagi siya pinag-anuhan sa kapatid niya.
Oh. Oh, ano?
Somebody,
Lagi akong kinainggitan sa trabaho.
kung may trabaho siya, somebody silo at mag-mail. I don't know.
Kasi lagi akong nagiging paborito sa trabaho namin.
Sa susunod, wag lang paborito.
Kaya, ginagawa ko na lang ngayon, nag-iipon na lang ako. Pala ko na lang, magtinda na lang ako.
Oh.
How long have you been living here?
Yes.
How long?
Ilang taon na kayo doon?
Araw na pinilin niya.
Yeah. Parang kilala ko ito.
2000, I think,
Oh.
2000.
Since 2000, since year 2000. Wow.
Tagal na.
Yeah. Sa 20, now it's
If I'm not mistaken.
Pero anong trabaho mo?
Pareho ko nito nakita nila.
Oh. Anong trabaho mo dito ngayon?
Kahit mag-ano lang. Nungulay ka lang ng paso.
Noon,
Sa ano ako dati sa bodega.
bodega. Tapos, kaingita ka pa.
Oh, yun yung nga siya pinagpinutan kasi after that, makuha siya lang
Kasi
ano,
laging pinatatawag na ako namin.
ka-download, there's somebody to get in kilos for him.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, not so much working.
Kasi sa aming mga tauhan ng Bangladesh,
English.
Oh. Ay, ikaw.
ako yung inireklamo ko yun.
Oh.
Kaya, siguro na pansin nila, ako lagi yung pinatatawag ko mayari.
Oh.
Before is Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh. His father?
Kaya, ganun.
Bote. Before my son.
Oh.
Ano na lang, nagtagyan ng, ano, mabigyan ng pagkakataong mag-negosyo na lang.
Ipon na lang, konti-unti. Konti-unti, ipon na lang.
Oh.
No.
May pa yun, walang nga po. Oras.
It's not the toy.
Kaya, pero, ganun ang trabaho eh. Marami ka nakakaawal. Delikado ka pa.
Noisy train. Hold on, everybody. We're here on Taft Avenue.
Pinagpipan niya dito, before the top. 4 people he get stuff. Yeah.
Oh, you got staff?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not
For
good.
him, 4 people. He wants he's the only one.
Right.
Grabe yung galit na lang, no? Grabe.
Kami ko lang ang transport sa kanya. I don't know about him, but I don't know
Eh, talagang ganun.
why he hit my son. Yeah. 4 people.
Maybe they were lasing. That happens. Sometimes people get drunk. They can't handle their liquor.
They're drunk and they're high on drugs.
Oh no. Well, at least God didn't call you home. It wasn't your time yet.
Yeah.
When you talk, your mic should go to you. When they talk, yeah.
Saan sa'yo?
Yeah, yeah.
Pero sagat saan kayo? Probinsya niyo saan?
Ang nanay ko taga Dumaguete. Pero may kapatid siya sa Batangas.
Oh,
Kaya pagka ano, kung may pera na, bala ko na lang pauwi siya ng Batangas.
The mic can't hear you shaking.
Oo.
Lila forgets to talk sometime. She's still learning.
Pero kasi pag dito siya eh, lalo lang pagka sinusumbong siya ng sakit ng tiyan.
Eh, sinong kasama niya doon sa Dumaguete?
Andun
Ay,
yung,
may pamili.
oo, pamilya na.
Maghiwalay na kayo.
Wala namang problema yun. Pwede naman ako tumalaw sa kanya. Paling ako na lang yun nandito, may kaya ko naman eh, bata pa ako eh. Hindi may mayroon pa po ano. Bali lang ako na lang yung mahirapan dito.
Over there. The cement's really hot. I can't sit there no more.
You can sit there.
Oh,
You can sit there. Nag-iipon na lang ako, pa-20-20 ako. Mga nakukolekta ako sa basura, ano ko lang sa atin.
Yung bigay naming iluluto nyo. Pang ano lang yan.
Malaking bagay no yan. Malaking bagay na yan para sa akin.
Sana may politikong ano, dumaan.
there's no father, no more father, or no more husband.
My father's been dead for 17 years.
Oh, 17 years. I'm sorry to hear that.
Only son?
I'm only son.
Ito.
I'm a brother.
Las Piñas.
Oh.
My brother works at
LD.
Las Piñas.
Las Piñas.
Yeah, LD.
He works at trucking.
Oh, run the trucking. Okay, okay.
Pwede ka niya pasok doon.
Ayaw ko na rin. Wala na akong plano yung trabaho talaga eh.
Eh, paano ka magkapamilya ka?
Madali lang naman yung magkapamilya ka eh.
Oh.
Madali lang yun. Ako naman hindi ako nagmamadali. Hindi ako nagmamadali magkaroon pamilya.
Charte ka na.
Wala naman yung ginagawa.
At 33.
32 lang.
Hmm.
Noon tayong ano eh.
Sa bagay.
Tingnan mo naman yung mga bumubuo ng pamilya ngayon.
Hmm.
Diba? Madali yung magpamilya, pero yung pagpakain mo sa pamilya,
Oo.
yun yung mahirap.
Yun lang. Sa bagay.
Isipin mo muna yung pwedeng mangyari bago ka umakla.
Yun. Dapat. Palangado. Hmm.
Saka na ako upo ng pamilya pag alam mo kung
Kaya mo na.
hindi sa kaya ko na, pag alam mo kung maayos na siya, maayos na yung kalagayan namin.
Love ka niya ate.
Family.
Oh.
Not now, right now.
Yun na lang.
Yeah.
Even ba tayo to find a family.
Yeah.
Family yun.
Kasi gusto ka niya alagaan.
Hindi yung bubuo ako ng pamilya na
Oh.
dahil gusto ko lang,
Oh. Tama yun. Kawawang bata eh.
makawa lang.
Kaya ganyan sabi ni Kuya Kalo, don't make baby if you have no money.
Yeah. If you adoy, no make baby.
Right.
Like me and Lila, we're adoy.
Yeah.
No baby.
10 years na kami.
Yeah, 10 years now.
Oh, kayo lang kita-kita natin.
Oh.
Oh. Nagbago, may pagbabago tao. Because that time, before, maybe I saw you before, you always done the,
Oh, yeah, long time ago when I'm younger, my friends, they
Yeah.
do some drinking. I didn't drink too much. Sometimes in the evening, I'd have a couple drinks with them.
Hindi siya. Siya nga.
Wala.
Siya. Kasi ano kinakasama doon sa kanto.
We won't talk too much about my drinking days now, will we? Kuya Kano got busted. They know me from way back when I lived by Cartimar.
Where you come from? Kaalat sila.
We've been in Pangasinan.
Oh,
Oh.
You're hungry.
Yeah, when we moved, when the Mobolo Extension, when they demolished that, and then we lived over here and sold the Show Mine Rice. And then rent was expensive here. And so we moved to Pangasinan, that's our province.
Pero nung
That's why you
pandemic,
didn't see me.
nawala
I
siya
didn't even
trabaho.
recognize you. That was like long time, you know,
very long time ago.
very long time ago. Well,
It was, I think it was 5 or 7 years ago.
I was in Pangasinan for 7 years. So it would have been, did I was it before I met you? Oh, there's that train again.
That's why it's hard to talk him.
Yeah, it's really hard.
That's a train.
Yeah, that's why I got the mics turned all the way down -3. Try to cut down the mic background.
Kaya nagkapinaho ba kayo? Nagkapinaho kayo?
Okay na, nag-lunch na kami. Yeah, give.
Looks like God have
Ah, siya. She don't like.
don't like.
No, dog food. Ito,
They already have enough food. Oh
vitamin
yes,
C.
we brought our vitamin C to hand out. So one for you and one for you. That's vitamin C to help up your immune system, help keep you from getting sick.
Oh, ascorbic.
So,
Very much.
uh-huh. Well, good luck to you. We live in the neighborhood, so maybe during the week or something I'll come by and bring you some more rice and some more food. So,
God bless you.
well, God bless, yes.
Yeah.
Pray to God every day.
Yeah.
He is the path to the right way.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's going to end this one.
There, Mom, Madam.
Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share. It makes a difference. With your support, we can help more people. God bless.
Thank you.
Oh, Lolo!
Meron ka na. Nagsabi ako na pera.
Sleep inside of there. They have their clothing, their shoes. Very noisy place to try and sleep. The train or tram, whatever you call it, LRT, always right there overhead. Thank you. God bless.
See you soon.
Yes, I will come back during the week and bring you some more food. Yes. Okay, come on, Lila, let's go.